got a Honda here. It's one that I've never seen before. Apparently only sold in Japan, but somebody's imported it into the States. It's got a 5-speed. It's a 91. Oh, it's right-hand drive. I guess that's part of being from Japan, huh? Must be rear engine. And got a Washington license plate. It's got flare wheel wells bolted on, mag wheels. It's a name that I can't even pronounce. In a second I'll show you what he calls it. And it's got really racy looking seats. I've never seen anything quite like it. Yeah. And there's what that kind of Honda looks like.